that was rejected by Home Department that this legislation cannot be done because of certain reasons, whatever reasons be. After that, when there was epidemic, rather pandemic, the Home Minister assured IMA that they will form a central legislation. But only thing that they did was amended the Epidemic Diseases Act, and it is now as the epidemic has gone by, the act has the truth of the act has gone by. So what I want to tell you is, out of these, I have filed a public interest litigation in Bombay High Court, and in 2020 we filed a public interest litigation. And as you formed a committee of various doctors, the Bombay High Court Chief Justice formed a committee of people from Maharashtra state, and the committee had 3 meetings, and the meetings have been concluded in a statement which says that the Maharashtra 2010 Act has to be amended. Now, I will read the statement of the Honorable Advocate General of Maharashtra State, which is reproduced in the order of the court, and you will realize what is happening about it. We have further, the court says that we have further been informed in the course of hearing today that the appropriate authority of the government has discussions with the petitioner, and a draft of amendments required to be incorporated in the Maharashtra Medicare Services Act has been prepared. However, Mr. Kumbhakoni submits that he has himself pursued the draft and found that the same to be clumsy. He therefore submits that the government ought to be given liberty to considering whether to introduce a new legislation or to amend the act, for which he has time. This order of the court is dated 13th of July 2021, Your Honor. More than 3 years and 1 month has passed after this order. The Maharashtra state government has not done anything about the report of the committee. Therefore, it is necessary to ensure that the recommendations that your National Task Force give is, we had filed intervention application in Kerala Private Hospital Association versus State of Kerala. And in this case, on the court, Kerala High Court.
Before, your Dr. Joshi, your PIL is pending before the Bombay High Court, but we're not leaving it at that. Once the report is submitted by the task force, as you rightly said, the next step would be the implementation of the recommendation.
Yeah. No, please hear me for 2 more minutes, Your Honor.
You can assist us at that stage on what steps should be taken to implement the report of the task force. We require
that is one part. Second part, I'll give you
what's happening in Maharashtra, Kerala, because that's not really going to carry this matter any further.
Please give me 2 more minutes. We filed an application in Kerala High Court, and the Kerala High Court passed an order of golden hour of filing FIR. Your Honor, please give me 1 more minute. The Kerala High Court passed an order of 1 golden hour for filing FIR, which is similar to golden hour doctors use to treat patients of stroke or cardiac arrest, so that the patient doesn't die or come with permanent disability. Now, this FIR was to be filed within 1 hour, and I have filed 5 instances of this order being disrespected by the police. The Kerala High Court has taken cognizance of our applications, and they have asked the commissioners of police to file affidavits or superintendent of police to file affidavits, after which the violence in Kerala has come down by 75 to 80%. Subsequently, we'll be aware of the murder of Dr. Vandana Das, who was stabbed 11 times in chest in early morning, and on that day, the High Court of Kerala asked the government what we are going to do about the act. Within 7 days,
you can assist us after the report comes in. These are important issues on implementation, which we'll look at later on. Let the report first come, and we'll then see. We require your assistance, and we'll be happy to have your assistance on what steps should be taken.
Also has,
including your suggestion on the golden hour for the
Your Honor, Advocate Sneha Kalita has got copy of my suggestion. Kindly permit her to submit that document with her.
Request, but thereafter there are 2 holidays. 30th is Friday, 31st is Saturday, and Monday is second week. And 3rd, my lord. Subject to
Your Lordship, there's only one.
Your Lordship, kindly take the note.
Yes, you can prepare us a note, Dr. Joshi.
I'm in that.
Your Lordship, there's only one suggestion, Your Lordship.
A special bench on the 3rd. Can you have it earlier, please? There's a special bench on the 3rd. Or later, either earlier or later.
Mr. Sibal, come on the 3rd. We can adjust the time between both of you. There's no difficulty.
No, but there's a special bench that is listed. The matters are listed for 3 days.
Because then fourth, I don't know how we will pay.
No,
place, because
fifth, my lord, can it be fifth?
we'll take it.
Fifth is all right. Fifth, all right.
is-
Mulad, that
Lord,
original
another
case
request.
diary be returned to us. The original.
Another request, my lord.
Photocopy of the original.
Lord, another, my lord, the
Right.
status report may be sealed again, my lord, and retain in your lordship.
Status report to be.
Same for us, of
CBI state.
And same for, yes, obviously.
That's right.
Your lordship, there is one suggestion, last suggestion.
Same. They've seen this.
Mandatory filing
Seal
of
our-
institutional FIR by the
Seal our-
institution 2 hours of the cognizance of the office. Your
Made
lordship.
for the last 6
Yes, your
minutes,
lordship.
making
3
that
minutes,
point.
yes, your lordship. That's
We'll issue directions even on that.
deeply obliged. Your
Well, there's one submission which is important at this stage, Manoj, which was, I'll just take 20 seconds. Well, I'm appearing for the National Federation of Resident Doctors of AIIMS and the Federation of All India Medical Association. Milords, they have got letters from different resident doctor associations have written letters to them that we are ready to join. However, if some degree of interim protection, some basic degree of interim protection while the time the recommendation of the NTF has been implemented, which includes only the CCTV footage at the entrance and the exit of the hospitals and the hostels, and also a distress call facility. They are requesting for this interim protection, my lords, because they are petrified after this horrific incident which has happened. And
Well, the government has already implemented this. West Bengal has already implemented this.
On behalf,
2 days back, we implemented it as far as West Bengal is concerned.
panic button.
in fact, I have been
Mr. Solicitor, what we'll do is this, up to the submission which has come, can you ask the ministry to engage with the state health departments in the next week before we take up the matter? And we'll issue some directions on what in the meantime, what are the steps which the state governments can take in the meantime pending the report of the.
What I would suggest, apropos what is in furtherance, my lord, the health secretary can have a meeting with the chief secretary and the director general of police instead of.
The Supreme Court continues to urge the doctors to resume to work, also saying that they will ensure that the law takes its course in connection with this case. Now, with that, it's a wrap, but do stay tuned. We'll be right back with more.